Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So I was just surfing on the internet, trying to find a good deal on the 75-inch TV. So at first I was just looking on the LG and Samsung. I come across this one. This one is the Hisense Enjoy TV H65 series 4K Ultra HD. So this one supports Android TV entertainment tailored for you. It has Dolby Vision HDR plus HDR10, which is give you a high dynamic range enhanced detail, and Chromecast built-in, cast your small screen to your big screen. And it also has a DTS Virtual X multi-dimensional sounds. So I was looking on the Best Buy, and this one, the original price was $999 plus a recycling fee and less than that. I guess it's a pre-Black Friday sale right now for $599. So when I was just searching online, they said they only have 2 in the store nearby my location. So I told my son right away, let's go ahead and go Best Buy and check it out. So he could help me move. Moving to Best Buy, they had to look around. It wasn't on the floor. It was stored in their on the back of their store. So the sales associate helped me go look around, and he had to go in the front, the back, and finally found it. One has a ripped cardboard, so I got the good one. So today we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. This one also has a voice remote with Google Assistant. Okay, let me remove the camera out the tripod and give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. So let's go ahead and show you guys. I believe this is the back. And this TV is made in Mexico. So before we do the unboxing, we have to remove this plastic locks. And here's the model number 75H6510G, 74.5 inch measurement diagonally. So this one has 3 at the HDMI port, USB ×2, LAN, and then antenna cable. It has a AV in video, left and right channel. Also has a 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter. Also the digital audio output. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this. What we need to do is just pinch it. And then that's it. So you pinch it and then pull it outward. And then that's it. Make sure this carb handle is not pulling all the way in like that. Or it might be hard to take it out. So anyway, I'm going to put this on the mount and then unbox this. We're gonna lift up the whole box on the top. You're gonna lift up the box, okay? I already unlocked it already, so just raise it up, just the cover. Shoot. And make sure the TV is not gonna fall or anything, okay? Oh, it's there. Oh, be careful. Huh? Is that with the stand already? Let me check. So here's a remote control. Has a Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and then a Google Play, and then instruction manual, and then two of the AAA batteries for the remote. And here's the power cord. The power cord, remote, and then screws for probably for the stand for the screws. Okay, let's go. I don't think that's. Be careful. You need to take this out. On the edge, there's a thing right there, though. Right here? On the edge. Yeah, you sure it doesn't slip. You don't have it? The way. Oh, that's good. Let me check. Oh, maybe just right here, Joe. Right here. Yeah. Dim it up slowly. Oh my God, that's no fan. Hold on. Hold it. The stand powder. And go here. What? Hold on. Is it okay? What? Look at the stand. Hold on, hold it. Maybe it's just stuck in here. Hold on. Hold it, though. Don't worry about that. Be here. Oh, the stand right here, Joe. Up top. I guess we're supposed to open from the top. Is it? Oh. What? That's all the stand?
So don't press on that screen.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. So they come with two of this stand. It was on the top of the styrofoam. So I'm not sure why this side is green bag, the other side is clear. So there's a stud right here and then two screws. So I'm gonna put it on right now and see. You know which side, Joe? Oh, this is right side, left, right. Oh, this is this side. So there's a marking right here. This is L for the left hand side, and the other one's for the right hand side. And then he has a rubber feet on the bottom for the non-slip. So we're gonna have leave it on the TV, go down, so we can install this. lift it like that, okay? Make sure you put it in between the styrofoam. Get a grip or no?
Yeah.
No, tilt it. Yeah, and then now you have room on the bottom. You have grip or no? Make sure it doesn't slip, Joe. We should tilt it this way.
Wait. I need to fix my hand.
Let me take out the plastic there. Oh, let's combine. Make sure it doesn't slip, Joe. I'm gonna hit the ground and crack it. Can you hold it your side? Okay, you got it now? And let this side go down, okay? Lift it out. There we go. Nice. Whew. So we are going to open for these screws and then just mount the legs. Okay, now room. Alright, so left leg, this one is the left leg. So I go like this. Why is it crooked? The wrong way? Wrong way. Turns left or right? Okay, this one.
Right.
Hold on, let me switch it. Let me go over there. Alright, so I'm not sure whether this side is the right side instead. Don't tight it yet. Put the second screw. Yeah. So it depends on how you want to put the legs. There's like a 1, 2, 3, 4 different location. You could either put the 2 on the outer side or 2 on the toward the midsection. Depends on how's your setup. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Go on this side. Yeah, use a screwdriver. I think it's crooked. Yeah. Screw in slowly. If it doesn't go in, then don't force it, or you're gonna strip the screw of the thread. Oh, it's in an angle? What?
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's crooked. Why do you do it like that? Okay, I'll strip it now. Yeah, you see the bracket? It's like tilting in an angle, so make sure you guys install it correctly. Slanted. And then this side is slanted this way. Alright, so we're gonna test out this TV and hook it up for you guys to look at it real quick. Okay, that's our 48-inch. Since we're gonna upgrade to a 75-inch, so hopefully it's gonna fill that up because it's been getting small, and I believe this one is the 50-inch for gaming. And then look at that 75-inch, y'all. Connect successfully to the internet. Ooh. Skip it for now, yeah. And accept.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine.
Living room TV.
Yeah. The living room or family room, doesn't matter. Yeah, continue. Cool. Yes, Chromecast built in. We don't need to buy the Chromecast. Yeah, sorry guys, it's a long setup, but just to show you guys what you need to do to register. Home mode. Upgrade. Consent. What is that?
Automatic content recognition. Will collect broadcast signal. Consent.
Yeah. Wow. So many YouTube and everything, Netflix.
Research.
Make sure there's no copyright, yo. Oh, so you can update in the background while you can watch it, huh?
Yeah.
That's good. What the? That's a different daddy. There you go. There's the channel. What? Still didn't hit 1 million view yet?
I think we'll have the 599
no.
today special. I'm super excited for this.
Yeah, me too. I'm starving.
Wow, nice picture, eh?
Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to input and
They say the speaker for this one is pretty good.
unlock code.
You don't need the sound bar for
SIM
this.
card. But first of all, you need to attend.
So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.